What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be replacing the wiper blades on my 2013 Chevy Silverado. Take a screwdriver, flip that flap up there. Alright, so as you can see, this is quite a bit different than a regular hook style wiper arm. It's got this tab, and on the back side it's got these doohickeys here. So let me show you the new blade. So I've installed blades on a number of vehicles with this style wiper arm, and what I've found is these Bosch Icons, part number 22OE, are the ones that fit the best and work the best on that style wiper arm. Okay, so it's fairly simple. Here's the new blade. This is the bracket. If your wiper blade doesn't come with this bracket on it, you want to switch it out to this bracket. And all you have to do, see it's got an arrow on it, and right here is where you tuck this tab underneath. So you slide the tab underneath and then pull back and then push up so that these tabs on the bottom and the top click into place. And that's how they should properly be installed. So when you want to take them off, you just squeeze these tabs together and then pull that way, and the blade will come off. All right, so now I'm going to take the passenger side off and replace it. Boom. Remember, slide the tab under the arrow. And then push up. And make sure the tabs on each side are seated in. The front of the wiper arm, the little tab on the front of the wiper arm, goes under the arrow. Slide the wiper arm as far as you can down, or the wiper blade, excuse me. And then just kind of put two fingers here, your other finger here, push together, and it'll snap into place, and it's done. What I've found is those Bosch Icon 22OE are the best fitting blades and the easiest to install. Like this one here. This was the Rain-X silicone blade. Excellent blade, by the way. But you see it's got a different bracket on it, and it's, if you haven't done it before, it's confusing. They make these things way harder. They make them universal for multiple rigs. So they make these things way harder than they should be. Like, I had to take a piece of a bracket off here, and the instructions don't explain it very well. And then there's no arrow or anything to go underneath with the front of the wiper arm. You just like push this back and click it into place, and that's what holds the wiper blade to the wiper arm. It's kind of weird. But anyways, guys, that is how you do wiper blades on that style wiper arm. I know they got them on Tahoes and Yukons as well as Silverados on certain years. So anyway, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Click the thumbs up on this video, and check out my other videos with this truck and other vehicles that I own. Appreciate you watching. Take care.